science being developed for Homeland Security floats and sniffs out explosives.
And it's being developed in St. Petersburg, where Fox 13's Steve Nichols says there's a push to make St. Pete ground zero for port security.
It may look like an oversized toy, but Dr. Eric Steimel's creation takes science for a ride. He runs the raft with a radio controller, matching its position against aerial photographs and sharing its view through an onboard camera.
It's a pickup truck for the water. You have a sensor, we put it on, and we go have fun.
Recently, it took Dr. David Freeh's sensor for a ride. His specialty is miniaturization.
So this is a total system solution that has sensor, power, communications, and computation.
The smaller square you see here is really special. It can detect residues of explosives in the water. Another example of marine researchers branching out.
Because some of the same technologies that is applicable in the environmental area can be applied in the security area and vice versa.
Taking this brain power to the next level is Larry Langbrecht's job. He's trying to create a national center for maritime and port security.
And eventually this group would evaluate technology across the country and actually help make decisions on what the appropriate technologies are.
President Bush ordered up such a center via executive order. So Langbrecht is touting St. Pete's pluses these days. 3 ports, several Coast Guard stations, Florida's Marine Research Center, major research universities, and big U.S. Geological Survey and NOAA offices. Plus St. Pete College's National Terrorism Preparedness Institute, which is already training firefighters and police officers nationwide. Taking security to the waterfront is almost a natural.
To support federal agencies and state agencies and local agencies in policy creation, interpretation of maritime law, training for first responders for events in a maritime domain.
At this point, it's impossible to tell exactly when such a national center will be created, let alone whether it will be located in St. Petersburg. But should it land here, it's expected to bring buckets of money. In St. Petersburg, Steve Nichols, Fox 13 News.
And they've been quietly working on that proposed national center for about 3 years. They say there might be something new to report in the next few months.
Well, talk about your